Hello दोस्तों, how are you? If you like to become a doctor in 90 days, here is the solution. Here is the how to become a doctor in 90 days. If you want to be a doctor in 90 days, this is the simple process and simple things that you have to solve one set of NEET questions daily. Means 190 questions you have to solve daily and understand the how it is solved and what is the answer and what is the process of physics and chemistry questions answer. If you do one set daily, you must become a doctor. This is my advice. It is up to you. If you want to be a doctor, then starts right now. Jai Hind.